Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be video number 1 for Build a Page. So today and tomorrow I will be building some page kits, and then so that would be Sunday, Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I will be putting up layouts of things that I build with those page kits. Now, I recently was at Joann's and picked up some of their new designer paper collections. So 4 of my page kits will be from those designer collections. And I also recently picked up some of the Bella Boulevard collection called Tiny Tots. I got that from Erica Rose Creates online shop, and it is wonderful and happy and fun and full of good things, and I have a ton of zoo pics. So that I actually know what to do with. So I'm going to see what's in here. And I'm not sure if I'm going to go like super cheater and and leave it all in or not. That's really doesn't help us a lot, does it? Now, I'm thinking also, I am in a big fat cut file phase right now. So I might play with some cut files. I have all these freebies from Paige Evans that are on her Facebook group. So I'm thinking of doing that. Now, all of this is going to match perfectly because it's, it's all the same collection, right? So guys, how can you break it up? All right, so maybe I'll just make it slightly smaller. Now, what do we have? Now, this is a fabulous background. Yep, absolute fabulous background. So that made that easy. Okay, so look at the tickets. The tickets. And there's probably tickets though in some, yeah, there's tickets in here, so I can handle that. Okay, let's just go ahead and grab some papers. Like, let's say I'm cutting or backing a cut file, because that's the way I want to look at this. Because I don't even know which cut file I'm gonna back. I'm a mess. All right, how about that? Ooh, guys, I just saw this. Black and white, and that would be a really good border for that. All right, so we have that. We have this. I like the big colors because we have this tone on tone going on. So let's see. Ooh, I like that pink. So I'm clearly needing bright colors. Good to know. Good to know. How about some of this sheet? We're going to need a few different colors for a cut file. I don't even know why yet, but we will. Ooh, that black and white that we just went by. There's just a black and white one with butterflies. Yeah, well, it's apparent. Oh, there it is. That is super cool, but I have a feeling we'll have some of those as well. So I'm trying to look for something with like a little bit of a different scale. So we have that, and let's see. It's a little tricky when you have no clue yet what you're going to do. And I'm also going to be able to back the cut file with the stuff that I got out of this black one here. I think I'm going to use these little tickets because I love them. Okay, so that will be my papers. That makes that a little easier. Now, what I'm thinking about doing, and it's not going to be all that entertaining, quite frankly, thinking about, ooh, we've got an alpha, of leaving this whole schmear in here. And the reason why I'm thinking that is I don't have photos chosen. Yep, none whatsoever. And I tend to use more stuff if I have it out. I'm going to get rid of the extra paper. But like these are puffies. So instead of using just like 3 puffies, I'll use a ton. And I'm not feeling like cutting them up yet. Why am I being hesitant? Because they're new. It's new. Because have you seen the foiling? It's very like uber coppery or orangey foiling. So these have all these pieces too in here that are fab. So I'm sure you guys have seen this stuff already. Actually, I did an unboxing as well on it. But there's this super orange foily vibe going on. And for theme, it's just like flowers and butterflies. So hopefully I can just find like a pretty picture of one of my kids. And then those are all of the great die cuts. What do they call them? Beautiful things, noteworthy. I was seeing if they call them die cuts or ephemera or whatevs. I don't know. All right, kind of lame in that I need to get some envelopes or baggies. In that I'm not taking much apart. Now the thing I do want to do is I want to use my flare. And I just looked over, and guys, look at this. These are like handmade canvas flare, and I wanted to put words across them. I think I can pop that whole thing in. That's awesome. Okay. And then right here on my desk, I'll show you a couple things that I am keeping on my desk. I've got these finishing touches in here from the Not Just for Boys Kit Club. I have them in here. I also have these great new like little cutouts that they have on their packaging. Those are on my desk. The other thing that I have on my desk is the bonus bundles for Shimmers paints, these colors, and I also have the color kits for this month. So if I want to use splatty bits, I'm looking at this direction for colors. So keeping certain things on my desk because I'm really trying to get some traction with them. Anywho, I have this. We're going to tuck it in. This is going to be kit number 1. The rest of those gorgeous Bow Bunny goodies are just going to have to step aside for now, and we're going to get through it. It's going to be fine. I'm going to have this as kit number 1. 1 is Bow Bunny. Okay. And which means I better put my other papers to the side because I'll forget what my plan is. That's why. Okay, so we can put that to the side. Now let's see what our next one is. Okay, next one's Jen Hadfield. And I had recently created with Jen Hadfield for the scrap room, and I loved it. Now the dealio with these pieces that I picked up is I did not get as many 12 by 12s. So let's see what we have. Also thinking about doing the whole cut file thing. So that's gorgeous. So I was wondering, like, do I want to bring in just a piece of white cardstock, popping it in the middle, and maybe I can have this gorgeous floral around it. Kind of thinking that. Let me get a piece of white cardstock. Let me grab a ruette. I've got some textured white cardstock. So what I'm thinking of doing is just one of these dealios where you can see it peek out. I mean, that could change, but that's what I'm thinking right now. And I definitely have to cut out some cut files. Haven't done that. Okay, I have that. Now, these are super cool because they're watercolor paper. So I do have that mixed media stuff there. Not sure if any of the colors will work, but I'm going to pop this in here in the event that I want to cut out a couple of the pieces and color them. That would be fun. Okay, so since we know that that is going to go like that, these are just like little decor pieces. Let's see what we can do. I really like this bright yellow and this orchid tone. So let's see if we can find any treasure to that effect. Ooh, I want that. I like the baby florals. They're a different scale at least. Ooh, you know what? I like the idea of this print because it's a little different, but now we need something with a bit more or a different tone in it. So this is that gold sun paper. Ooh, look at this, guys. It's groovy. But I already have the metallic over there, so I think I can resist. Oh, it's so pretty. This is pretty. I don't know if it's going to pop. Oh, here's that gold I was hoping for. Gold and gold, right? Okay, I'm going to stick with those for now. If I get desperate and... Oh, okay. I lied. I'm a big fat liar. I am. I like the idea of this green as well. Okay, those are my colors. I'm going to go ahead and put my extra products away, my extra papers at least. And let's take a look and see which embellishment packs I picked up. I have this right here. It's these, there's 61 accent stickers. So when you have a cut file going on, possibly some mixed media. This won't be that hard to get the deal done. Ooh, I like the park map thing. I also have a picture of my youngest with like some round purpley sunglasses on, which might be kind of cool because she's a bit of a nature girl. I have to see how the tone of the purple is. Anywho, look, there's a trout. Maybe a trout. It's a fish. Okay, I have that. I also have way too much ephemera, but we're going to go with it. Let's see. Does it matter? Oh, wait, let's see. Use for blah, 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 blah. So one is phrase and one is icon. So if I want the wordy bits, I kind of have to come in more like this, and these are the icons. So why don't I, since I have that, I will just put in the phrase bits. I will put the, what do they call the icon pieces away? And that is more than enough for that. Now I'm looking at this set of sequins I have from Spiegel Mom Scraps, and I just held it up to this. They're going to come in here. Now, what about this? Is that too bright? Is it supposed to, like, it's really cute. I wonder if it's supposed to go with this collection. All right, that's going in. That wasn't terribly complicated, was it? No, it was not. All right, so big giant flare will be hanging out with this one. So that is my page kit number 2. And like I said, I'm planning on doing like a little bit of a cut file palooza for some of the days. On Thursday, I'm gonna have to do a combo, so that might go differently. So this was Sunday, Monday. What do we have? Let's see. Oops, I put this in the wrong spot. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So the next one is the one I won't, well, actually, I don't know if I'll be able to do a cut file with it, but because it's a combo. But we'll see how it goes. Let's see what I have. Oh, there's a little fish. A little fish escaped. So I have all kinds of zoo picks, guys. Ooh, I'm going to include the scraps right from the get because I like doing that. All right, let's see. So I've got this big old collection, including cut files, which makes me go, ugh, because I think I'm going to just put these in my kit. And I have to see if it'll work for my little combo plan. Now, I have zoo picks like we talked about. Oh, cute. Look at this. Now, I have pictures of a tiger, not a lion. I don't know if it matters terribly. All right, I'm really vibing on this piece right here, right now. And, oh, look at that with a cut file on top. Oh, yeah, I'm clearly not that creative because I see the same thing and I got excited. But I like the idea of that on top of that. Possibly a cut file. I'm going to try to work the cut file in. And then let's see what our scraps are. We've got this pink. Oh, and it's got really nice border strips. I've got a big orange with cut aparts and a really great tone-on-tone blue and little cars. So I'm going to have that be my papers. Awesome. Now, I'm lucky enough that I have got the puffy stickers. And I also have this sticker sheet. So since I have this and I have this, I have the puffies, I've got the stickers, and I have the epoxies. Why don't I take away the ephemera icons for now? Let me get that little fishy back in there. And I don't know that I need either of these because I'm going to do total zoo. I'm going to put that one in and I'm going to see how that goes. Now, let's see. Sorry, I know my big old arm is going across. Let's look at my mess of flare. Let's see if I have any flare right on the top that will work. So these colors are just slightly more of a muted tone. I'm like, And these are just a little, I mean, the pink is good and the green is good and the blue is not. Okay, I'm trying. Such cute stuff. Look at how cute. Remember, sweet, yada, yada, yada. Those are really cute. I'm looking to see. Ooh, these are nice and little. And a bunch of the colors work. I'm gonna go with those, these cute little mini flare, and we'll see what we can work in. That would be really fun. Okay, I can do that. Am I happy? Am I done? Am I happy? Because I have all these little bits. I'm looking at, I happen to have my Spiegel Mom Scrap sequins right here. So that's what I keep looking at. I've used these a bunch just because they're extra pretty. That's got the blue and the yellow. I'll pop those in. We'll see how it goes. Okay, that's what I have for kit number 2. So y'all come back tomorrow and I will pop back on for the last 2 kits.